Make Holi Gujiyas at home in just a few easy steps. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons ghee, 1/4 cup milk, 1/4 cup grated coconut, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1/2 cup chopped nuts, half a teaspoon cardamom powder, oil for frying. First, let's make the dough. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of ghee, mix well. Now, gradually add 1/4 cup of milk and knead the dough until it becomes smooth and pliable. For the filling, mix together 1/4 cup of grated coconut, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1/2 cup of chopped nuts and 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Roll out small portions of the dough into thin circles and add a spoonful of the filling in the center. Fold the circle in half to create a semicircle, then press the edges together to seal it shut. Heat some oil in a deep frying pan and carefully place the gujiyas into the hot oil. Fry them until they turn golden brown on both sides. And there you have it, Holi Gujiyas, a traditional Indian dessert enjoyed during the Festival of Colors. Serve them warm and enjoy with your loved ones.